All right, so I'm using some Steel Ridge coffee. It's a nice dark roast. It's got a robust smoky flavor, a little bit of like dried fruit hints in it. So using a half cup of that. Then you have yourself some onion powder. We're gonna have adding that, garlic, and I have some Himalayan pink salt. You can use sea salt. I'm just using this for today because I like the flavor. And then right here you have your brown sugar, your ancho. This is going to be your coriander with your dried thyme and your cumin all ground together. That's your fresh mustard seed. And then you have your coarse black pepper. So you add all that in. And now what you're going to do is, just to break up the sugar, you're going to just give it a nice mix. Give it a nice mix. See, we got that beautiful rub going. Coated on both sides. So you're gonna take your ribeye. You're gonna cook it for 4 minutes on each side till medium rare. Take it off, let it rest, and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.